Is the Google Advanced Data Analytics Professional Certificate on Coursera worth it in 2026? If you already know the basics of data analytics and want to move toward data science, this review will help you decide. Before we begin, check the link in the description. It gives you access to the current Coursera Plus discount. Unlike the beginner Google Data Analytics Certificate, this program is designed for learners who already have some analytics experience. It's the next step if you want to develop more advanced technical skills and qualify for higher-level data roles. You'll learn statistical analysis, regression models, machine learning, data visualization, and how to communicate insights to stakeholders. The program also gives you hands-on experience with Python, Jupyter Notebook, Tableau, and NumPy. One of the biggest strengths of this certificate is its practical approach. You'll complete real-world projects and finish with a capstone project that you can add to your portfolio. These projects help demonstrate your skills during job applications. Another advantage is the Google credential. You can add it to your LinkedIn profile and resume, and you'll be eligible to apply for jobs with Google and more than 150 employer partners. The program also prepares you for roles like senior data analyst, junior data scientist, and data science analyst. So, is it worth it? If you've already completed the Google Data Analytics Certificate or have equivalent experience, I think the answer is yes. It builds on your existing knowledge instead of repeating the basics, making it an excellent next step. If you only plan to take this certificate, buying it individually may make sense. But if you also want to learn AI, machine learning, Python, data science, or cloud technologies, Coursera Plus offers much better value. It gives you access to over 10,000 eligible courses, professional certificates, and specializations from Google, IBM, Microsoft, Meta, and top universities. Right now, the annual Coursera Plus plan is 40% off, bringing the price down from $399 to $239 for a limited time. If you're serious about advancing your data career, it's one of the smartest investments you can make. Check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends. If this review helped you, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.